Hello there, I'm Vlad. Welcome to Macbook channel. Guys, let's have a look at a few snapshots again. And this time it's from the Gigapan by Neville Thompson. Credit goes to him, thank you Neville. He posted it on the 30th of August 2017 and it's from the Sol 1433. So this is the Gigapan. It's small, it's like square-ish size only, but there is a few interesting things which I would like to share with you. So let's have a look. So first one is this razor sharp angle and hollow. Okay, well, I don't see if it would be a hollow, because this looks like it has definitely the surface on top of it. But as we can see, the shape, the angles on this side at least are pretty sharp and pretty much 19 degrees. So it looks like some building blocks or something like that. It's very interesting, though on the other side, as you can see, there are some bumps or protrusion, but on the other side, look, it's quite regular shape. See, this is the one, there is a gap, and there is another one. So, well, yeah, it's interesting. And if we look around it, also here is something which has some kind of flat surface. I don't know what to make of this, because this looks like it's not from the rock, definitely. Look, see, it's some kind of triangle shape. Depends how much they camouflaged it and how much is it real. But yeah, it's definitely interesting. Both these rocks. They may be part of something much larger. Well, let's see. Okay, another snapshot is, yes, of course, it's this cave, and I've seen also there was a snapshot of this so-called face, which obviously I'm not buying that, that's just a random shape of the rocks. Yeah? But yeah, this dwelling, this opening, it's quite interesting. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Okay, so, well, this is an ornament or a bird. Yeah, sure. There is plenty of birds on the Mars. Of course, we all know that. Okay, let's go to the next one. Hollow modern metal beam. Well, it has some kind of shape. It's interesting. But I'm more considering, or I'm more questioning this bit, because this does not look like a rock. Look, it looks like it was broken, snapped, and it looks like more like some kind of wood, which is not very likely, but maybe some kind of bone or some different material, which we have no idea what it could be, but the shape does not look like a rock. It looks like it's, you know, like a bone, kind of. Obviously, it can't be bone, it would be far gone, but yeah, it's very interesting as well. All of these, both of these. Okay, let's have a look at something else. Okay, triangular opening with 4 windows. Well, I pretty much doubt that. Let's go and have a look on something else. We have this one. Okay, well, if it's some kind of tool, well, could be. The shape is interesting, but as we can see, it's basically partially covered by a sand. So that rock can be just normal ordinary rock, and this is just the part of the rock which is actually protruding up on the surface. So this is like a coffin. Well, I guess he meant like the coffin in Egypt, yeah, like sarcophagus. And yeah, it could be basically, if you can see even this basically rough part, there is an edge which is smooth, but it doesn't really go straight. It's going exactly, it's copying this edge. So I don't know, maybe, but also this bit under, it's quite interesting. So you can be the judge. Let's have a look at something else. Okay, legs on a rock. Legs on a rock. Okay, I don't see it, but look at this triangular shaped rock. It's quite perfect. It's real nice triangular. It doesn't really look like a rock. It has absolutely nothing else, just a perfectly shape and the thickness. Well, that's interesting for me, definitely. Okay, let's have a look at this one. You guess, card head coming out of a shark. Well, but yeah, it's interesting. Look like some small monolith, but more or less I would say it's a rock. Okay, what's here? There is no comment, but yeah, there is definitely something here, but it could be just shadow and light, and it can be part of this sand which is stuck between the rocks. But look at this interesting thing. That could be something, maybe some kind of plant or something sticking out of the rock. It's definitely not. It definitely does not look like a rock. Also, this bit quite interesting, and it's questionable if these greenish things are part of the color bleach and the filters, or if it's something which is really there. Well, you are the judge. Okay, this one is interesting. Thanks God it's not some kind of face, but yeah, these three openings, as you can see, yeah, it's definitely very interesting things. And at last we have two things, this one and this one. What they are trying to say is some kind of cloth, so basically material which is lying there, but obviously that wouldn't last a lot. But yeah, it's very interesting because it's, as you can see, it can be a camouflage by NASA, and or it can be some kind of, because I wouldn't think that this is a rock which is under the sand. I doubt so. But this rock, as you can see, is a different color, so it's definitely not that. And this one as well, it's exactly the same, but it could be that this one is under the sand. Look, you can see here these white spots. That looks like the sand which is stick on the surface as it is coming from the top. So for this one, it looks like it may be a rock underneath the sand. I wouldn't be so sure, but this one is definitely more strange. It's stranger, and yeah, the shape, it just does not fit. Well, you can be the judge. What do you think about it, guys? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.